In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on DoorDash. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open the app, then you want to go to the top menu and press over here on the profile icon. Then you want to select on orders, and this is going to show all the orders that you previously placed. So what you want to do from here is you want to find the order that you have a problem with. And then what you want to do is you want to select on the help option, which should be located towards the top right. And then from there, it's going to ask you what is the issue. So it's going to ask you between missing item, wrong order never arrived, poor quality, etc. And then from there, you will get the option to actually request a refund. So remember, go to orders right over here. Then you want to go ahead and find your order, and that's how you're able to do it. So DoorDash may refund to your card, or they may pay you back in DoorDash credits, which you can then use those credits in order to get more DoorDash. So that is something that you need to keep in mind. But if you're having difficulties or you aren't able to find your order for whatever reason, in that instance, what we need to do is we need to contact the official DoorDash customer support, where we're able to go ahead and actually request a refund. So go to the profile icon right over here, then select on settings. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see help. So here it is, get help. Go ahead and press on it, and then go ahead and select on your order one more time. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and receive help as well. And what you could also do is you can call this number right over here, and basically you're able to talk to customer support. You need to explain to them the situation and try to provide any evidence as possible. So let's say, for example, someone damaged your food or something like that. Please take a picture of the damaged food and then make sure to go ahead and have it ready so that you're able to confirm it with the DoorDash customer support. But that is how you're able to begin the process of getting a refund. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.